Training is absolutely fundamentally important, not just to CTS and myself personally, but I think to the wider theatre arts. My own involvement with BECTU and Cult Cymru has been around making sure that key staff have had appropriate training, and also wanting to support the notion of everybody benefiting from further training. So we have done things like the IOSH Managing Safely course, but across the whole workforce.
Dechreuais I mas fel scenic artist a trwy help Cult Cymru a hyfforddi trwy Cult Cymru, mae wedi rhoi y hyder I fi I mynd mlaen I datblygu fy sgiliau I ddod yn swyddog prosiectau I CTS.
It is very common for people to enter the industry unpaid. The main route in really is work experience or shadowing people, which is usually unpaid. I did a lot of it to begin with, and it got to a point where I was doing a job that I should have been paid for, but I wasn't being paid. So I got in touch with Sian at BECTU, and I asked her how I would approach someone to ask to be paid, you know. She helped me write a little email, and she helped me draft it up, and yeah, I sent it off and they agreed to pay me.
Dwi'n mynd I wneud cwrs iechyd meddwl yn y dyfodol trwy Cult I helpu fi cael y sgiliau iawn I helpu pobl eraill yn y gweithle.
BECTU have provided me with many courses. I think the first one I did was a freelancer basics course, which covered like marketing yourself, and also like the financial side, doing your taxes, which was a great place to start, because when you go into it, you have no idea, you don't get taught anything in school like that.
In the 3 years that I've been at CTS, we have brought 5 apprentices through the business on a single year programme, but actually I think the challenge going forward is about making apprenticeship model absolutely fit for our business, and working closely with Cult Cymru in how we structure that. It really is about the medium and longer term replacing an older workforce, but also drawing on that older workforce to work with their young people whilst they're still in the business. So again, it's a partnership thing really.